I'm building new PC with the Asus NVIDIA RTX 1070 and then Asus motherboard, and this is my cooling fan, and this is a CPU Intel Core i5. Wala. This is the motherboard, Asus Prime H610M-K D4 ARGB. And this is the cooling fan. And this is my two RAM, 8 gig each. So I have 16 gig of RAM.